Is institutional lift technology making it difficult for you to care for your loved one at home? If the daily grind of trying to maneuver in and out of tight places has worn you down, fear not, because it's the dawn of a brand new day. Revolutionary breakthrough in overhead lifting and transfer technology for use in the home. It's the new Voyager with Easytrack, the portable ceiling lift system. At last, a totally portable overhead lifting system designed specifically for in-home caregivers. Here is a lifting solution that enables users to remain in their homes without having to rely on bulky institutional floor lifts or costly permanent alterations that deface their home's aesthetics and value. Easytrack requires no contractors or expensive permanent installation, making it extremely affordable. And the entire system is so light and portable that it provides the flexibility to take it to another room, a different house, or even to a hotel on vacation. The Voyager, with Easytrack's functional design, is so simple. One person can set it up in 4 easy steps in less than 5 minutes without tools. The telescopic track adjusts in width from 6 to 10 feet, providing the flexibility to work in small and larger spaces. It's a product designed to truly adapt to your living space, rather than forcing you to adapt to it. Get ready to add ease and convenience to your home care life with the simply remarkable Voyager with Easytrack, the portable ceiling lift system.
Hi guys.
An Easytrack demonstration is easy to arrange. The entire system is conveniently transported in its own optional carrying cases. Made of lightweight aluminum and space-age plastics, the 2-post system weighs a mere 44 pounds. First, unpack the case to ensure that you have all the required pieces.
And 2 little fancy end caps.
Before you begin, take the time to completely read and familiarize yourself with the instructions. Not only will it ensure the safe operation of the Voyager with Easytrack, but it also greatly increases the speed and efficiency with which you'll be able to set it up. Now you're ready for step 1. Set the circular footplate on the floor and gently push the bottom of the post into it, ensuring that it fully engages. Next, place the oval-shaped ceiling plate on top of the post and wiggle it as you push down. Be sure you hear the snap as the plate engages. Now place one hand on the lower section of the post and with your other hand on the upper section, extend the post to the desired height or as close to the ceiling height as possible. The pins on each side of the post act as a safety feature to ensure that the post cannot be inadvertently lowered when in use. As you observe the top of the post come in contact with the ceiling, stop and snap the level onto the post to verify that the post is level. A level is supplied with each Easytrack system. Next, with one hand placed on the lower section of the post and your other hand on the upper section of the post, begin turning the upper section clockwise to extend the post toward the ceiling. Continue to rotate the upper half of the post until the red section at the top is no longer visible. Now lock the blue cuff used to turn the post onto the lower half of the post. When this is done, the entire post will now turn with the lower and upper sections turning together as one. Once locked, this safety feature prevents anything from bumping into the post and loosening it. Now you simply repeat step 1 for post 2. It's important to note that the Easytrack system is tension fit and therefore requires a solid floor and ceiling surface. No floating or drop ceilings allowed. The post end pads have non-slip neoprene surfaces to keep them securely in place, and the spring-loaded posts also hold securely in the event of floor or ceiling flex. The telescopic posts enable the Easytrack to be used on any ceiling height between 7 and 9 feet. It's recommended that the Easytrack be used on ceilings where the trusses are no more than 24 inches apart and the drywall is 1/2 inch thick. Once the posts are set, step 2 is to secure the horizontal track to the first post. Note that one end of the rail is labeled step 1 and the other is labeled step 2. When assembling the system, attach the end labeled step 1 first. Holding the track about waist high, tilt it up and secure the step 1 end to the post. One unique feature of the Easytrack is that the track can be set at any angle to the post, rather than the 90-degree angle requirement found in most traditional ceiling track systems. Step 3 is performed by moving the free end of the track over to the opposite post, extending it to the proper length, and snapping it into place. When disassembling your system, remove the end labeled Step 2 first. The end of the track has a blue trigger mechanism that will prevent the track from being pushed up off the post. When the track is installed, all that remains is Step 4. Take the locking end caps and secure them in place. They just click into position. Then attach the rubber strips to the side of each post to provide an aesthetically pleasing product. From start to finish, the 2-post configuration usually takes 5 minutes or less to set up.
Okay. Well, I'm going to show you the sling.
Wonderful. Good. I've been anxious to see
Got all the rest of it?
The Voyager lift has a complete array of slings designed to meet virtually every lift application.
Hi, Jim. How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing great.
Well, wonderful.
I'm ready for a bath.
The Easytrack comes in 2, 3, and 4-post configurations. For the bathroom, Easytrack's 3-post system is ideal. It's also available with a tub bracket that mounts onto a bathtub ledge. By connecting 2 of the EasyGlide rails between 3 posts, a user has access anywhere within the triangular area. Remember the institutional floor lift? It's totally incompatible for use with bathtubs. But Voyager with Easytrack makes going from a wheelchair to the bath, or to the toilet and then to the sink, a breeze. The design of the Easytrack 4-post system permits access to any spot within the area of the 4 posts. Users can move from wheelchair to easychair, from easychair to bed, or from bed to wheelchair conveniently, as needed. Of course, all Easytrack systems are designed with unique safety features that ensure peace of mind for both the person being lifted and the caregiver. Easytrack's highly versatile configurations offer you portability, flexibility, reliability, and affordability. And they all work together to make the Voyager with Easytrack the portable ceiling lift, the answer to an in-home caregiver's dreams.